Hi guys, how's it going? Today I'll be installing my new exhaust tip because I sold my old one, my carbon fiber stainless steel exhaust tip. I sold that one. And after that I've been driving around with my stock exhaust tip, but my package arrived today, so now it's time to install the new ones. Also, if you don't know how to take out your old exhaust tip, in this video I'll show you how to take it out and replace it with an aftermarket exhaust tip. So now let's get started. Wow. This one is a lot bigger than my old carbon fiber exhaust tip. This one is the 4-inch. I used to have a 3.5 before, and I sold that one. Now this is the 4-inch. So this is what I bought, guys. Look at that. Carbon fiber exhaust tip with a burnt blue stainless steel, and it's Akrapovic. I don't know if this is the genuine thing, but I think this is just a replica. It's a very nice replica for sure. So this is a real carbon fiber, and this is a real stainless steel, burnt blue stainless steel exhaust tip. Look at that. You see that? Nice. It's a nice combo. Carbon fiber with a blue exhaust tip, burnt stainless steel exhaust tip. Also comes with the stainless steel clamps. Okay, that's cool. And this is very easy to install. You just have to slip it on your stock muffler, and that's it. It's very easy to install, and you can change the look on your rear bumper for sure if you have this kind of tips. So that's the first one. Nice. Oh yes. So I'm gonna put down the link on the description below if you're interested in getting this and putting it on your car. But look how nice that is. Akrapovic, made in Slovenia. I don't even know if that's real, but I don't care. Even though it's still a replica, it still looks awesome. So I can't wait to install this. This is gonna make a big difference on my rear bumper for sure. So here's the stock exhaust that I've been using right now, and they're not too bad actually. I like the color black also, but I find them too small to the cutout of the rear diffuser. So if you're still using your stock exhaust tip, I'm going to show you how to take this out and also to install the new ones. So to remove the stock exhaust tip, all you have to do is hammer here at the tip, and it's going to slide out. Just tap it gently, it's gonna slide out easily. That's it. Just wiggle it until it comes out. There you go. So when you look on this angle, this is where that pin was welded on from the factory, from BMW. So that pin you have to cut out if you want to put an aftermarket exhaust tip, because that is the guide for that stock exhaust tip for the BMW. So you just have to cut this with a saw or grind it out before you can install your aftermarket exhaust tip. So now here's the exhaust tip I'm gonna install on the car. I have to put the clamps inside the tailpipe first. It's easier that way to put the clamps inside the tailpipe first, then you follow this with the exhaust tip. Then after that you have to tighten this bolt here, and this bolt is a 10mm. So when you tighten this, make sure it's not gonna show underneath. So you try to position this as high as possible without being seen from the bottom of the car, and it looks better that way. I would say position the tip maybe about an inch farther from the diffuser. I think that would be okay. So this is how it looks like after I did the installation of the exhaust tip. So I made it stick out about an inch away from the rear diffuser. Looks pretty nice. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. So please give this video a like and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next one.